Born 1895 Morristow, New Jersey, died 1920. Overview. Alice H. Parker was an African-American inventor who was active in the early 1900s. She is known for her patent for a gas furnace.